I'm at Dreamfinder Homes over at Bella Vista Farms, and this floor plan is called the Horizon. Now, what's really nice about it, this particular house has a Casita. So let me just give you a close-up. I want you to remember this name. This is one of those opportunities you get to take advantage of a builder while they're establishing their name. Okay, so this is the Casita part. Notice they have it decked out with all the goodies. Okay, so you can have your own little living room here, cabinet, and then we're gonna come on this side. It'll come with a mini split, all right? And they have their own patio, which I'll show you on the outside. But if we go around this corner, we're in the bathroom, and then they have cabinet space here. You get the walk-in shower, huge mirror, and that's the space, okay? So you can utilize this for whatever you need, all right? Now just know that this spot here is the closet, and we're standing in the bedroom right now. If you were to take advantage of something like this, you could do it just like they did and make this a hangout, like for the kids or for the grown kids, right? So guys, we could come out here and do spade night, poker night. Kids, this could be a cool teen room for the kids, and they have everything that they need in the house, okay? Right here, all right? So you got facilities, you got AC, and you're not getting the main part of the home all messy. Let me come outside. This is also just a good spot for Amazon deliveries. I mean, listen, I do a lot of Amazon shopping, online shopping in general, even if it's Walmart.com or whatever, we have stuff delivered. So what you'll notice is you have that courtyard, and then you have this whole separate door right here. So you can have it set up to where they can open that door, put your delivery down, okay? If someone's over in the Casita, they can grab it. If you're hanging out right here, you can grab it, but it's protected from the public. Now, let's get in here. Now, this being the model, it has a lot of upgrades. Like, this is actual stone, okay? So this is really nice work that they did on the house. And one of the first things you walk into is a bedroom, all right? And they put a nice pattern on the wall there with the 2x2s, okay? And that's a queen size bed. This bedroom will have its own bathroom. So coming over in here, you get the walk-in shower. Notice the upgraded paint, the black accent for the faucet, the trim, very nice. And then you have the 8-foot doors on this property, okay? Really good looking setup right here. Let's go straight across the hall. All right, so in the hall, we're gonna have that Jack and Jill bath, but it's set up a little bit different. So you have a sink on this side and then one on the opposite side, okay? So two people can brush teeth, get themselves ready, do hair. The third person can come into the main bathroom, get a shower in, shampoo, whatever they need to do. You got plenty of space for the dirty laundry. And then let me show you behind me, you have 2 bedrooms over here. I like the way they designed this with the guitars. I just think they're so cool, okay? All we need is a Jimi Hendrix poster on the wall, okay? So they did a good job on designing this. Decent sized room, real size furniture, okay? And the other room is identical in size, nothing different besides the decoration that you see on the wall. It went with the sports theme over here. Big football back there, Friday Night Lights. I almost called it Saturday Night Lights, but Friday Night Lights. And then the laundry being here. Now, real important, this space, every spec home that I've seen from this builder, this has been included. And I love that because in the other builders, that is wasted space. Surprisingly, we get a functioning window here. This one actually opens and closes so you can get the heat and moisture out of the house, okay? Let's come on around. I'm greeted with this closet, coat closet. A lot of space, nice and tall up there, so you can add more shelves if you want to, or if you need to keep it as a traditional coat closet, that's fine. Nice dining area. So you got a big chandelier here. You could put grandma's china cabinet on the back side, or you could build in something custom. Nice open area for your TV, your great room area. So I like how they did this to where it backs right up to the slider, because you're only going to use one side of this slider anyway. So why not use that space there to help balance out your furniture? There's the front door again, okay? And then here's your kitchen. So I think they did a phenomenal job with the kitchen. Ton of cabinet space here. We're gonna get a gas cooktop. Some of the homes I've seen have a backsplash like this, different colors, and some of them don't. So that's really gonna be up to you and what's available at the time, or if you decide to build, of course, you can include that. But I do wanna show you something, all right? Every single one of these has the soft close doors, not just the model. A lot of times you'll get the model and you'll say, oh, it has soft close. And then when you go to buy your house, it doesn't. This is a big benefit. This drawer obviously comes all the way out, has that dovetail going on, but it's also soft close. And what a lot of builders are doing is they're skipping out on these drawers being soft close and only giving you the top as a soft close. Now, let me show you this countertop. This countertop shape is what every single house is going to come with. And it is a quartz countertop. If you look on this side, it is just drywall, okay? So you can sit, all right? But if we come on the other side, you're gonna get yourself some cabinet space. Just phenomenal. And depending on the floor plan you get more cabinets. You have another one here and another one over there. Just depends on how big the home is. So I'm really happy to see that. Let's look at your primary suite. And as you can see, king size bed. I always like to point out, this is full size furniture and you still have plenty of space to go if you really need something bigger than that or more storage than that. So really nice setup. All right, that leads into your bathroom. So you could put a barn door on that, or you could put in what the new thing is now are these little pocket doors that have storage inside of them. You can put that in. They're like modular doors. Okay, closet looks okay. I'm okay with that storage. It's not too small. It's not too big. It's bigger than a lot that I've seen, but I probably just want to add some extra shelves to that. Okay, big island. So I've been to multiple builders, and you can go through all the other homes on my channel, and you'll notice there's always a gap right here. I like that they used the entire space and actually gave you the storage, okay? Now on this side, we don't have the space, but honestly, I don't know what you would use it for. I don't think it's necessary. Maybe that's a spot that you can just hang some giant fluffy robes. You get a linen closet in the bathroom, and that is a ton of shelves that are very deep. So I find that to be positive. Toilet room and your walk-in shower. Let's go out to the backyard on this. Oh, I completely missed this. What is this? I think this is your pantry. Yep, this is your pantry, okay? I had my back to it earlier. So this one is going to have a huge pantry, okay? It goes all the way in. Plenty of shelving. Listen, you won't miss anything. It won't miss anything on this one, okay? Let's go out to the backyard. Now, if I didn't mention it before, the model home here is actually for sale, all right? And it is for sale for a unbelievable price, which I'll give you. But it's going to come with that outdoor kitchen. You have travertine on the floor, a little decoration on the wall over there. We got some turf, some trees, some plants, the whole drip system. This is Arizona living at its finest. I mean, most backyards are going to look like this. These trees will grow up. They'll be nice and big and give you a lot of shade and privacy. But as for now, you can utilize taking advantage of the big turbo with those ceramic bricks there. Cook all the meals you want, all the steaks you want. Looks like we got, I think this is tile right here. That's not travertine. It may be travertine. Yeah, it may be travertine actually. It's starting to look like it matches. I thought they might have just did a color match. Okay, other side of the house. But let's talk about the price, okay? Because I know you're thinking about it. And from what I remember, this house was on the price list at $529,000. I got to tell you something. To me, that is a steal when you compare it to the other homes on the market in the same neighborhood, because those homes are high fours, like 480, 490, all right? The difference is if you buy the model, you get all these upgrades that I just told you about, plus the furniture, You get the upgrades plus the furniture. So if you're moving from out of state and you don't want to go through the process of hiring these movers and paying them all that money, go ahead and liquidate that stuff. This place has really nice furniture that's ready to go. If you want to get more information on this, more details, and figure out how it works, give me a call, shoot me a text, give me a smoke signal, and I'll get you all the details. I'll see you on the next one.